Students, we are going to start our maths chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. So first of all, we are going to see what is geometry. Geometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with properties and relation with the lines, angles, surface and solid. Just as maths deals with number, geometry deals with figure, points and line. Now, one by one, we are going to see the things comes in the geometry. First topic is point. A point is usually represented by a small dot. By a sharp tip of pencil, mark a dot on a paper. Sharper the tip, thinner will be the dot. As you can see, the point is represented by a dot. Line segment. A line segment corresponds to the shortest distance between the 2 points. The two segments joining point A and B is denoted by AB, and on that we are putting the sign of line segment. As you can see, AB, and above that there is a ray. What is a line? A line is obtained when a line segment like AB is extended on both sides indefinitely. It is denoted by AB or sometimes by a single small letter like L. As you can see, student, that on line point A and B joined, and on both sides we are extending the line. This is called the line, okay, and we can show it by AB, and both sides there is arrow above it, okay. A line representing both side arrow means it can be extended on both side. This is a line. Intersecting line. Two distinct lines meet at a point is called intersecting lines. Two distinct lines meeting at a point are called intersecting line. Suppose there are two lines L1 and L2 intersecting at point P. So the P is called point of intersection, and L1 and L2 are the two lines of and intersected at point P. Understood? Parallel lines. Two lines in a plane are said to be parallel if they do not meet. As you can see in the diagram, the railway track, the opposite edges of the ruler. All these are the example of parallel line. What is a ray? A ray is a portion of a line. It starts at one's point, or called the starting point, and goes endlessly in a direction. 2 points are shown in the ray. There are first A, the starting point, and the second P is a point on the path of the ray. We denote it by AP, and on that we are putting a sign of ray. The ray is having starting point, but there is no end point. You can see some example of ray: the sun ray, the ray of light from a torch, the beam of light from a lighthouse. All these examples are of ray, as they are having the starting point but they go endlessly. So students, we are going to see some exercise question of exercise 4.1 on the basis of the topic we have studied. So your first question is, use the figure to name first 5 point, B a line, C 4 ray, and fourth 5 line segment. So student, here is the diagram, and we have to find firstly the 5 point. So as you can see in the figure, there is the 5 point O, B, C, D and E are the 5 points on the diagram. The second one is a line. As you can see, the line can be endlessly moved on the both the side. So a line is here, DE, DB, OE and OB. These are the lines. The next is 4 ray. The 4 ray is the having the starting point but no end point, okay. So here OD, OE, OC and OB are the 4 rays. The next one is the four line segment. So the four line segments are DE, OE, OC, OB and OD. All these are the four line segment. Name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only two latter at a time from the four given. So as you can see, the 4 point is given and you have to write the 12 ways of writing it. So you can write it AB, AC, then again AD, after that ABA, BC, BD, CA, CB, CD, DA, DB or DC. So in this way, one by one you can write the 12 way of the line segment. Now the next question is, how many lines can pass through one given point and two given point? So as you can see, a number, infinite number of line can pass through one given point. As we can, here A is a point and from A how many lines can be passed? Infinite numbers of line can pass from point A. The next is, how many lines can pass through 2 point? So only one line can pass through two given point. As you can see, AB, from A and B both, only one line can pass.